Yeah, man, talking to the boys and the girls. You're watching Caribbean TV World. It's Hotter Flames. You know that already. Don't touch nothing. Keep it locked.
We want to just support Foss Park and continue to support us. Hopefully, if you continue to support us, that beach down there, we could be swimming in it this time next year. If you help me, I promise you we could be swimming in it next year, but I can't do it by myself.
That's right.
So I'm gonna ask you to continue to support Chris Ayers and to continue to support Foss Park District.
Yeah.
And God bless and thanks for coming out.
Hi, I'm the Honorable Dr. Donna E. King, Foss Park District Commissioner, and also I am the author of the application of holistic life coaching to military sexual trauma. If you want to learn more about me or my book, please visit me at drdonnaeking.com.
Hello, everybody. My name is Anjanetta Freisen. I work for Barilla, the pasta company. I work in supplier diversity and sustainability. My role is to make sure that our company is inclusive with women and minority suppliers. So I am here looking for vendors that have goods and services that they want to sell to Barilla. You can contact us at www.barilla.com. Thank you.
Hey, this is Dwayne with A-List Limos.
And I'm Chris Ayers with A-List Limousine, and I am so excited that we're here for our 10th year anniversary celebrating Jamaica Fest, but we're celebrating with this beautiful limousine, A-List Limousine. We've got Lamborghini doors, disco floors. This thing is a disco on wheels. Great sound, holds up to 10 people. If you're having a wedding, bachelorette party, or a night on the town, this is your car.
I spent a long time running scared. Couldn't receive that you would never ever leave me. Didn't know that you would call me friend. Oh, but now your grace for me is ever chasing me. The possibility of ever letting go. And you're not mad at me. No, you're not mad at me. You're madly in love with me. You love me madly, madly, madly. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me. Follow me. All my days, surely goodness and mercy shall follow me. Yeah, follow me.
you today, all right? I'm gonna sing to y'all first, that's all right.
I've been moving calm, no start, no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. and cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you love it on me. I don't wanna die, you don't wanna die. I don't wanna die. But then I miss me. Yes, I see the things that they wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that outlive me. They gon' tell the story, it was different with me. It was different with me. It was different, oh. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, baby, baby. Oh, baby.
If y'all know this, sing it with me, okay? Let me hear you.
God's plan, God's plan, God's plan, God's plan. I hold back sometimes I won't, yeah. I feel good sometimes I don't, yeah. I've been there some Western Road. Might go down at G.O.D. I go hard on Southside G. I'll make sure they know
I had a little something special for y'all.
We do whatever we want, go wherever we want, love however we want, it don't matter. You'll do whatever I want, yeah, whatever I want, yeah, whatever I need. It's about love, love is we got love. God's plan. God's plan.
How was y'all feeling that?
People, good afternoon. We just randomly hear some music. I'm from the Navy base across there, so big up the Navy peeps, big up everybody international. I just want to say I'm an immigrant. I can do my thing. I love music. I'm serving my country, and I have the opportunity right now, so I'm gonna run it. See?
Hey, I come from the yard, but just come for freestyle for you. I want to pick up my people from my country, my island. Pick up the people who are coming out the foreign land. Yeah.
So one of my favorite artists them from Yard is Dennis Brown, right? And I always have this song on him, Here I Come. So I'm gonna try it at him. Level up. Alright, here we go.
Love and hate shall never be friends. Oh no, oh no. Here I come with love and hatred. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow I all the days of my life. Oh no. My head is anointed and my cup runneth over. Yeah.